Hi everyone, so I'm gonna start the tutorial from here. I have finished the piece. To know how to achieve the crunch stitch, I'll put the link for the video which shows how to achieve this stitch, and also check the written pattern for all the information or of how many rows I've done and how many chains I did in the beginning. Now I'm gonna show you how to stitch the sides together and to complete this tablet sleeve. So after I finished my last row, I left a long thread for stitching and I'm using a sewing needle. The stitching is very simple, nothing complicated. So I'm gonna work back and forth this way. And I'm stitching the outer side, so I'm not gonna turn it inside out later on. Just like this till the end, where I'm gonna pass the yarn through and stitch the other side. I'll show you how. So I'm gonna take the needle inside here, and I'm gonna insert it inside to pass it through, like you will see here. And okay, because this is the outer side like we said. And I'm gonna finish stitching this side. Very simple and easy. And yet the stitch looks very pretty and beautiful. And here I'll just hide the thread before I cut it off. This is how it looks like. Very nice and tight inside, so it doesn't fall off at any time. And the waves look very pretty and beautiful. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. And like I said in the beginning, check the written pattern for all the information required for this pattern. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.